Hi everybody, it's Palm Sunday, so wishing everybody a happy week going into Easter week, and everybody who hopefully had a nice Seder last night and I'm enjoying Passover. Well, I wish you all happy holidays. We're heading out into the fog.
Oh yeah.
We got a negative low tide today, and we're back at the spot we were last time, and we're hoping to do good. Hopefully you can hear us because the wind's blowing too.
Yep.
All right, everybody, let's get out there and go see what we can find. Okay, I got a 23 seater right here, just below the cut. Let's see what we got. Here's it, please. There it is. And we got ourselves a dot. All right, let's keep going.
Okay, I'm hoping you'll be able to hear me. I've got the phone way up close to my mouth so you can hear me, because on top of the wind, I've got my phone in a waterproof jacket so that in case it starts to rain, I don't wind up losing my phone. Anyway, first signal. There you go. It's a little on the deep side, so it's going to take me a few minutes to get it out. Anyway, one scoop, and looks like it's right here. Quarter.
Okay, just dug another dime. I just dug 2 nickels right before this and 2 washers. So hopefully I'll get something good here. And let's keep going after it. There's quite a bit of dirt. Okay.
I don't know what you think, but I think he's on something down there. Tighten this up so you can see all of his holes. There he is. I think I'm gonna head down there and see if I can help. Needless to say, I have not made it down to where Tim was because I had a target. There we go. 555. Let me dig it and find out what it is. All right, folks, I got it out of the hole. It's in that little scoop pile there. And as I'm swishing along, now it's a 7/8 out of the hole. Let me get out my pinpointer and find it. It doesn't look like it's going to have a need for a pinpointer here. I think I found it. Looks like that's it. Oh well. Trash. Moving on.
Okay, just so you know, I'm working wide V's or W's. Just going back and forth, trying to find a super concentration. I mean, there's coins scattered all throughout here, but I'm not finding super. I'm trying to get down to this little point down here. There's a little, looks like a little scalped area in there. Kathy's behind me, and she's just working the patterns. She went vertically, you know, now she's going horizontally, or however you want to say it, but she's working back and forth, covering her pattern, covering that area. There's a lot of stuff right there. And I'm just working my way down, working my way back down to here, and then we're going to head back up the other way where we were into the heavy deposits the other day. And let's see what I got right here. Right now, let's see if I got it. Actually, I think I do. You can see it, whatever it is right here. I guess, you know, it's another dime. Just looked a little funny when I first picked it up. All right, let's get back to the hut right in front of this cut. You see all the black sand. Needs to be taken down quite a bit. And I got a quarter sitting on the surface here, so I'll certainly pick that up, and let's just keep going through here.
I think I got another quarter. Let's find out. All right, took a couple of scoops in order to get it out of the hole. And what do we got? Oh, here it is right there. Yep. That's another quarter. This one looks like one of those ones that was painted so that people could complain about the toll increase way back in the 90s because it's rubbing off on my fingers. All right. I think it's a, yeah. Okay. Looks like the sun's trying to make its way out of the clouds. It's up there somewhere. Tim's still working his way north on the beach. There he is. And I got another signal. Here, I'm working between his lines, and this one could possibly be there we go, a dime. Let's find out what it is. Okay, let's find out what it is. It's in here. There it is right there. Yep. I like finding dimes. They're annoying sometimes because they, you know, are easy to lose, but as you know, people lose them all over the beach. But anyway, I'm now up to 60 cents.
Okay, Kathy's down there. I've been digging out here, basically working W's, hitting up top of this black stuff. I got a 14-15 here, it's just digging in between the iron. And it looks like maybe I have gold here. It's a butterfly with a chain on it. I don't know if it's real or not. My eyes can't see it. But hey, that's something good. That's good enough for me. Let's keep going. We'll figure out whether this is gold later on or not. I'm not quite sure. It looks like a little silver to me. But, alright, let's keep at it.
I'm digging a 10-11 out of that hole over there. And let's see what I got. Oh, hey. Looks like it might be a nickel. It is a nickel. It's a nickel. Ringing up a 10-11. Huh. Nice. All right. 65 cents. So I'm not showing a lot of this stuff on my the VDIs right now because, man, has the wind picked up. I feel like I'm walking on the moon. So I just dug a 11-12, and it's not too deep, sort of shallow. Here. Oh, there it is, right there. There it is, right there. It's another nickel. Another nickel. Woohoo! 70 cents. Now in the pocket. Moving on. Alright, did I get another 2-scoop dime? 2 scoops out of the hole. There it is right here. Because it was ringing up a 25-26. It's not a dime. It is a penny. Year on it, 1971. 1971. Penny. So that's ringing up like a dime. Interesting. So I just took another scoop out, another 25-26, and there it is. There it is here. That's not it. No, that's not. No, that's not it. Next to it. Here we go. There's a dime.
Okay, the wind's howling. Keep going along. I'm picking up coins just like this, just sitting out. I don't know, it's gonna be maybe my 5th, 6th coin I picked up already. Doing good. Got a bunch of quarters. That one necklace, and we'll see what else we find. Captain's working a signal right now. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Look at all that black sand in that cut. That's beautiful, beautiful. It goes down, and there's a secondary cut down there. Pulling all kinds of coins right through here. Nothing old yet, but we're working at it. I started to pull some old, some interesting stuff. Got some type of coin. Can't quite see it without my glasses on. Looks religious. I don't know if that's Hebrew at the bottom. I can't really tell. I can't remember this side either. So that's Kathy over there in the fog, digging signals. The wind is howling. So we pulled signals all out of there, and just getting beat up by the wind. We're going to be packing in a few minutes. But she's working her way along and finding stuff, so I know she just spoke to me, she got something, so that's good. All right, guys. Good hunting. It's got to be good hunting all up and down the coast right now because this wind is howling. There's cuts of places. The work cuts 2 days ago.
Okay, wind is starting to die down a little bit, but I was digging a 7, 8, 9 out of that hole there. And after I, spread it all out, I see a little silver something. Ooh, look at this. Oh no, it's not a swivel. Aha! It's a broken piece of jewelry. I thought it was a swivel. Nice. All right, put it in the little box so that it stays safe.
Hey everybody, we're doing a wrap up for our Palm Sunday hunt. Tough weather, foggy,
windy, oh my gosh.
windy, super windy. Storms are around, but we got it in. So, oop, got my new deep search hat to cover my bald spot. Very happy about that. Yep, thank you, Donna. And we had a fun hunt. Still getting into the coins and stuff, and we got some nice stuff, and we'll show you what we got here on the board. Okay. All right, let's get started at the board here. Okay, first thing I have to go right here. It's an SP minnow. Somebody destroyed this nice lure. Must have cast it into a concrete wall, and then the back end snapped off. I don't know whatever happened here, but somehow they destroyed it. I don't know. Just hard to do.
Yeah. Wire.
It's wire, bottle caps, one of those things. We just lost our light. Must be out.
It must need to be charged.
There we go. We're back in the light for at least for another minute or two. Ooh, foil. They use garbage. A couple little sinkers. 2 washers. They both rank up with 10. I said, oh, I got a 10 here and I got another 10. I said, well, it can't both be the same thing they were.
The thing about it, though, is that there were a lot of targets on the beach today that were in the 8, 9, 10 range. A lot of targets.
I had a lot of, I had quite a bit too.
Range, you know? Yeah. Whether we're talking the little pieces or even a couple of the little pennies.
We both dug a bunch of targets today. We did we did well.
Yeah.
Pennies, I don't know. Bunch
10,
of them.
15, 17
pennies. And we got
that's a good number. Keep getting 17.
11 dimes. Yeah. We got
$5 in quarters.
$5 in quarters. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
We'll take that.
Yeah.
Got 5 nickels. We got what I believe is an Israeli coin from 2007. I saw that gold pop out. That gets you excited for a second.
Yeah.
But that's nice. Little doohickey, broken piece of something.
Yep.
I don't know. This looks older. It's like almost like a button. A little older hinge.
I got this.
No, you actually got this one.
Oh.
Yeah, you got this one here, which is the better looking one.
Oh, I thought I got that one too.
Oh, did you? Okay, I thought I picked up one of those pieces. Okay. Well, you definitely got this one, which is definitely got the button thing there. I guess it was an underwear button at one time. More little pieces of stuff. We don't know quite what it was. Getting into some of the better stuff here. Kathy got this. It almost looks like it's got a little gear there. It looks like a winder for a watch. Or, a little big for a watch, but like watch or clock or some mechanism there. Got a little finial there. So that's kind of interesting. Looks old.
Yeah, it was a surface fine.
It was a surface fine too, same spot.
Yeah.
And I got this little suspender clip here.
At least that's what we think it is.
Yeah, pretty sure that's what it is. Okay. I could actually, now that I'm sitting here looking through the camera, I could actually see there's a name on there. So I'll look that up.
Okay.
Figure out what's going on there.
Cool.
Kathy got a nice little piece of, I guess it was a
I think it was an ankle bracelet.
Ankle bracelet?
Just because of the location of all of the heart is close to the clasp.
I think that's very nice.
I think it was an ankle bracelet.
I got this. It was kind of straightened out. I put it back together a little bit, but it's got fancy on it, and it's definitely was a ring. So that'll be number 26 for the year.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then I guess the best find for the day from a standpoint of jewelry was this here, which is marked 925, an EHC, which we believe is gold filled, because you can see the gold color in it. It's gold filled, gold plated, whatever it is. But it's pretty, little butterfly on it. So
it's blingy.
It's blingy?
Yes, it's blingy.
And she tried it on already. But are you going to be able to wear it?
Am I going to be able to wear it?
You don't want to wear it.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah, she likes to pick up stuff like that. So anyway, pretty good board for a couple-hour hunt. We're happy with it. Keep hitting the same spot. We keep getting some little unique items.
Yeah.
And today, stuff was scattered. More the other day we went out, and the same sections of the beach, there was nothing on it. And today, you know, there was more cuts, more wind-driven stuff, more black sand. Black sand was everywhere today. Everywhere. Oh, yeah. So we're happy with that.
Yeah.
Now we're just sitting here and, you know, the storm's getting ready to run through on us right now. We got warnings.
Yeah.
Our warnings keep coming through. But so that's it. Pretty good hunt. It's been nice. We get a mixture of older and newer stuff. And we had fun as always, right, Kath?
As always. Yeah.
Now what do we do, honey? Say goodbye, Kathy.
Bye, everybody. I didn't say goodbye, Kathy.
That's good. Bye, everybody. Take care.